In this video, I want to talk about the advantages or the benefits of thematic uh, investing, thematic investing. So thematic investing offers several advantages that make it an appealing strategy for many investors. So here are some of the key benefits or common advantages of thematic investing. Number one is alignment with trend and innovation. Alignment with trend and innovation. It has to do with exposure to growth areas. So it allows investors to capitalize on emerging trends and innovations that are expected to drive long-term growth. That's a typical, advantage here. It helps you to do what? To take advantage of what? Of areas or themes that would leads to long term that would drive long term growth. It equally involves cutting edge opportunities. It provides access to sectors and technologies that are at the forefront of industry changes and advancements. Number two is strategic focus. Strategic focus. This will incorporate targeted investments. Targeted investment enables investors to focus their portfolios on specific themes and trends that align with their interests, values, as well as some investment goals. Not only that, it equally incorporates thematic alignments. So in the area of thematic alignment, investors can align their investments with, broader economic, social, or technological shifts, potentially enhancing their relevance and impacts. Number three is diversification. Diversification, and this incorporates broad sector exposure as well as reduced concentration risk. So when I talk about broad sector exposure, this offers exposure to multiple sectors and industries influenced by the chosen theme, which can enhance portfolio diversification. And so we equally want to talk about reduced concentration risk. In this respect, by investing across various companies and sectors within a team, investors can mitigate the risk associated with individual sector or industry. You tend to you skip or you avoid industry or sector related risk. Number four is potential for high returns. Potential for high returns. In this aspect, you have a growth potential as well as innovation driven investments. So in the area of growth potential, these teams are expected to drive significant change or growth, that can offer high return potentials, especially if the team gains widespread adoption. The particular team is widely, accepted by consumers. That particular team will experience, an appreciable level of growth. You equally have innovation driven. So in this aspect, investing in innovative and disruptive technologies or practices can lead to a substantial gain if this trend achieve mainstream success. If you happen to invest in any of these teams that that is able to garner wide acceptance, you end up doing very, very well as a thematic investor. Number five is long-term perspective. Long-term perspective. So under this particular advantage, you have enduring trends, focusing on long-term trends that are expected to shift markets over time, allowing for a patient investment approach, as well as sustainable growth. So invest in teams that are likely to have a lasting impact, supporting sustainable growth and development. Number six is alignment with personal or institutional goals, alignment with personal or institutional goals. This particular aspect has to do with value-based investing as well as some customized portfolios. When it comes to value-based, investing, it allows investors to select teams that align with their personal values, conviction, or institutional missions, such as sustainable or social impacts. Not only that, when we consider customized portfolio, this provides the opportunity to build a portfolio that reflects specific interests or objectives, enhancing investor satisfaction and engagement. Please like this video and subscribe to this channel if you've not done that. We equally have number 7, access to niche markets. Access to niche markets. So in this regards, you have specialized opportunities and as well as a first mover advantage. In considering specialized opportunities, these provides uh, it provides the opportunity to build a portfolio that reflects specific interests or objectives, enhancing investor, satisfaction and engagement. We equally consider value-based investing, which allows investors to select teams that align with their personal value, conviction, or institutional mission, such as sustainable, and social impact. That comes under alignment with your personal, interests and goals. So we still want to analyze, access to niche markets. So in this area, we consider, specialized opportunities. It provides access to niche markets and, emerging industries that, may not be available through traditional investment strategies. These are very, very important advantages. We equally have to consider number 8, enhance research and knowledge. Enhance research as well as knowledge. So in this case, we talk about in-depth analysis as well as expert insights. So in-depth analysis, it encourages detailed research and analysis of teams, fostering a deeper understanding of market trends and opportunity. All right. And then when we talk about, expert insight, it often, involves leveraging expert knowledge and insights into specific teams, improving investment decision making. Number 9 is potential for high impact. Potential for high impact. This has to do with social and environmental impact as well as influence and innovation. So under social and environmental impact, this allows investors to support teams that align with social or environmental goals, contributing to positive, societal outcomes. And then when it comes to influence and innovation, this involves investing in transformative teams, that can drive innovation and influence broader markets and industry developments. Number 10 is adaptability and flexibility. It's somewhat flexible and adaptable. Adaptability and flexibility, which incorporates, a dynamic approach as well as response strategy. So when it comes to dynamic approach, thematic investing can adopt a changing trend and emerging opportunities, can adapt to changing trends and emerging opportunities, allowing investors to adjust their focus, as new theme arises. There's that particular opportunity to adopt, to whatsoever new themes that becomes popular, you could adopt to it. That's how you can benefit from it. Not only that, you have response strategy. It offers the flexibility to pivot and capitalize on them evolving trends, maintaining relevance in a rapidly changing market, offering the potential for significant growth and impact while supporting trends and innovation, you know, as well as personal or institutional goals. So all these are advantages of thematic investing you can key into if you are interested. If you adopt any of these, if you look into any of these advantages, you discover that thematic investing, is a worldwide strategy. It's a worldwide strategy. Any investor can choose to adopt, and of course, at the end of the day, I want to believe it's it will be profitable, at the end of it all.